In this video, I will show you how to remove Moosend subscriber from Google Sheets automatically. So assume that you have a list of all the subscribers in Google Sheets which are already present in Moosend email marketing software as well. Now whenever you are removing any subscriber from your sheet, you want that the very same subscriber should be removed from Moosend as well, so that you do not have to manually remove the same subscriber in both places individually. Want to learn how you can also automate this process? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So these are the subscribers available in this Moosend application, and the same subscriber list is available in this spreadsheet also. Now in front of any subscriber email ID, if I write yes, the same subscriber should be removed from this Moosend application also. So basically I want to create a sync in between this spreadsheet and in this Moosend application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing integration and automation software using which I am going to integrate Moosend and Google Sheets application. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as when subscriber removed from sheet, archive same subscriber in Moosend. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I will be selecting this main workflows folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever I remove any subscriber from my Google Sheets application, then automatically the same subscriber should be removed from Moosend application as well. Okay, so in this way I am selecting both the applications in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect our spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect and capture the subscriber details here. Okay, so selecting the trigger event, that is new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you will notice a webhook URL. So with the help of this URL only we are going to build this connection, build this integration, and again the instructions for the same are already given here. So simply copy this webhook URL, go back to your spreadsheet, click on extensions, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here you will have to search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Okay, but the same add-on is already installed in my Google account because I have created several automations earlier. Okay, but you will have to install this add-on firstly, because after that you will have to open the same add-on from here. Click on this extension and you will find the same add-on here, clicking on this initial setup button. And here I am going to paste the same webhook URL which I have got via Pabbly Connect. So I have removed the existing one. Let me copy the same, coming back to the spreadsheet, pasting the same here, and now it is asking for the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so basically it is asking to specify the column name on filling of which this automation should trigger. Okay, so I want that whenever I am writing something in this D column, this automation should trigger. Let's say I'm writing something in front of this 6th row like yes, here this automation should trigger. So that is why my trigger column here will be D. Now clicking on this send test button, but this time you will notice that it will say no data found in row 2 because there is no data available in this D column. Okay, so closing it, and how about I add yes here? You can notice this dummy dummy customer at pablitudes.com. The same subscriber is available in this MooSend application also. Okay, currently I'm viewing this active subscribers, and here you can notice this dummy customer at pablitudes.com and the same email ID, dummy customer at pablitudes.com. Now I want that if I want to remove this subscriber from this spreadsheet, the same should be removed from here also. So I'll show you everything step by step. Okay, firstly you need to add this yes, because we need to add our trigger column. We need to fill our trigger column clicking on this button, clicking on this Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on once again. Let me copy this webhook URL once again. Let me paste the same webhook URL once again, and again I am defining the trigger column as D only, clicking on this send test button, and this time you will notice the test data sent successfully. So basically it has sent the data of first row, basically row number second data has been sent to Pabbly Connect. If I will scroll down, you will find the same data here as the response. Okay, so I will show you the details one by one, but before that let me close it. Okay, so clicking on the submit button, the setup is configured successfully. Closing it, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the same trigger column, the same spreadsheet name, that is all subscribers data. Let me show you other details also. Here we have the value as yes, that is remove subscriber from list, yes. Okay, here we have the same phone number, the same name, and the same email address of the subscriber. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time you write yes in front of any row, in front of any subscriber email ID, the same subscriber details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. But before that you will have to enable one more very important settings. Click on this extension and you will have to enable this send on event option. This will ensure that the data should be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. As soon as some event is happening in this spreadsheet, the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically after enabling this option. And let me tell you one more very important thing. Whenever you are connecting your spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect, make sure that either you work in the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab in the same time. I'm repeating this thing once again. Either work in the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab. Now coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to remove this subscriber from my MooSend application also. Okay, we have already captured the subscriber email here, but before I send this data to MooSend, I will click on this plus icon and will add one more action step, that is filter. Well, filter is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can apply different kind of conditions within your workflow, within your automation. Now you must be thinking what kind of condition I want to add in this particular automation. So I want that whenever this column receive the value as yes, then only my automation should proceed further. Otherwise this automation should stop here only, should stop on the first step only. It should not execute this particular step. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again. Whenever my automation detect that any subscriber email ID has the value yes in this D column, then only this automation should trigger. Okay, so how we are going to define the same condition in this filter by Pabbly feature. Okay, so firstly you will have to select the label as the same column name. Remember we have the column name as this remove subscriber from the list. Okay, so whenever this column has the value as yes, okay, whenever the value received yes is actually equal to yes, then only this automation should proceed further. Now how my automation will decide this? So it is going to decide based on this condition. If the condition is true, it is going to execute further step, but if the condition is false here, it will not execute further step. It will stop our automation here only. Okay, so in this way you can also set this condition with the help of filter. Now moving further, this is my last step of automation as an an action event, I am going to search for the remove subscriber because I want to perform the same. And just like I have connected Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this Moozend with the Pabbly Connect, for which it is asking for the API key. Okay, so go back to your Moozend account. Here click on this more option, then you will find the option of settings, then you will have to click on this API key option, and here exactly you can find the API key. So I have copied the same. Coming back to the dashboard, let me paste the same, clicking on save, and in this way my Moozend account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it will ask you that from which particular mailing list you want to remove the subscribers. So currently I am working in this integration list only. Okay, so let me open all the email list available. Okay, so I have the subscriber list of this integration email list. So if I am removing any subscriber here, the same subscriber should be removed from this particular email list also. So I am going to select the same mailing list, that is integration. Okay, now finally it is asking for the email ID, that provide the subscriber's email ID which you want to remove, which you want to archive in Moozend. Okay, so the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the above email ID and paste below again and again. I am going to map this email ID, which will replace this email ID automatically whenever a new data is received in our spreadsheet from our spreadsheet. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data and in this way it will be mapped. Okay, so again telling you the importance of mapping. The details which you will map from the drop down will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time, but the details which you will select either from drop down or via manually, those details will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Okay, so how about I click on this button and you will notice that this email ID dummycustomer@pabblytudes.com will be archived automatically in this Moozend application from this Moozend application. So currently I am into this active subscriber data and I have the same email ID, that is dummycustomer@pabblytudes.com, currently into this active section. Coming back, clicking on this button save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive, and if that response is positive, that means our automation is working absolutely fine, and that means the subscriber has been removed here. How about I refresh my Moozend dashboard and then I will show you the subscriber data. Okay, waiting for that, fingers crossed. And here you can notice now we only have 2 subscribers. That one subscriber, that is demo customer at pabblytudes.com, has been removed. How about I check the archived section whether the same subscriber has been archived or not, and yes, you can find the same subscriber email ID in this archived section. So in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automate the process of removing the subscribers directly from Google Sheets. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time you will write yes in front of any subscriber email ID from this Google Sheets, in this Google Sheets, the same subscriber will be removed from this Moozend application also without doing anything manually. Okay, let me even show you this in front of you how it will work. Okay, so currently I have 2 subscriber email ID in this active section. So how about I copy this particular email address? Okay, demouser@pabblytudes.com, and here I have the same email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. Now in front of you I will write yes and press enter, and as soon as I do this, you will notice the same subscriber will be removed here. Okay, so let me refresh it, fingers crossed. And did you notice the same subscriber has been removed from my active subscriber list? How about we check this archived section, and did you notice the same subscriber is here also, that is this demo user at pabblytudes.com. So our automation is working absolutely fine. Just in case if you want to access this 3-step automation workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com, My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.